Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Olaex No3 is probably one of the most anticipated gadgets of the year, promising to revolutionize your daily routine with its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, making it an essential upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their digital lifestyle and experience unparalleled efficiency and convenience in a compact, powerful package that truly stands out from the competition. Number 5. Olaplex N Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. This is a powerful 3-minute pre-shampoo treatment. It works immediately to repair damaged hair. You'll see results quickly. Experience noticeably softer hair after just one application. It deeply nourishes and revitalizes each strand. Not only softer, but your hair will also become significantly stronger. It helps to fortify against future damage and breakage. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is designed for you. It delivers exceptional results across the spectrum. Achieve a complete repair and transformation for your hair. Give it the care it deserves for a healthier look and feel. What we like. This treatment is your go-to for quick, intensive repair. It works in just 3 minutes before you even shampoo. If you're short on time but need serious damage control, this is the perfect pre-wash solution for you. What people say. Number 4. Moroccanoil Treatment Hair Oil. Discover the secret to beautiful, healthy-looking hair. This luxurious treatment is designed to revitalize your strands from root to tip. Experience immediate radiance and a silky smooth touch. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, just brilliant shine. Say goodbye to unruly frizz and stubborn tangles. This formula effortlessly smooths and detangles, making styling a breeze. Infused with essential nutrients, it deeply conditions and strengthens your hair. Enjoy improved elasticity and reduced breakage. Cut down your drying time and simplify your styling routine. It provides a perfect foundation for any look, enhancing manageability. What we like. This versatile oil is a true multitasker for daily hair health. It provides brilliant shine and helps manage frizz effortlessly. If you're looking for an everyday product to boost luster and smoothness, this one is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Olaplex N Degree 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This advanced conditioner works to strengthen your hair from within. It actively repairs existing damage, restoring its natural health and vitality. Beyond repair, it creates a protective shield around each strand. This helps to defend against future breakage, keeping your hair resilient and strong. Say goodbye to unruly hair. It significantly reduces frizz, leaving your hair smoother and more manageable with every use. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this conditioner is designed for you. It provides universal benefits, adapting to your unique hair needs. Experience the transformation to healthier, more beautiful hair. It's your secret weapon for a stronger, smoother, and more vibrant look. What we like. This conditioner is essential for maintaining hair strength post-shampoo. It actively repairs damage and defends against future breakage with every wash. If you want a daily conditioner that truly fortifies your hair, this is a must-have for consistent bond maintenance. What people say. Number 2. Olaplex N Degree 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Discover the secret to stronger, healthier hair. This revolutionary shampoo is designed to transform your hair from the first wash. It actively works to repair existing damage, restoring the integrity of your hair bonds. Say goodbye to brittle strands and hello to renewed strength. Beyond repair, it builds a protective shield against future breakage. This helps maintain your hair's health and resilience over time. Experience deep replenishment as it infuses your hair with essential hydration. Your locks will feel softer, smoother, and more manageable. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this shampoo is formulated to benefit everyone. It adapts to your unique hair needs. What we like. This shampoo starts the repair process right from your wash. It cleanses while actively repairing damage and replenishing hydration. If you're seeking a foundational product that strengthens and moisturizes from the first step, this shampoo is ideal for a healthy hair routine. What people say. Number 1. Olaplex N degree 0.7 Bonding Oil. Experience a brilliant, healthy glow with just a few drops. This oil instantly enhances your hair's natural luminosity, making it look vibrant and alive. Protect your hair from the damaging effects of heat styling. It forms a protective barrier, keeping your locks safe while you style. Say goodbye to rough textures and hello to incredible softness. It visibly smooths each strand, leaving your hair feeling luxuriously soft and manageable. Enhance the richness and depth of your hair color. This product helps to maintain and amplify your shade's vibrancy, making it look fresh and brilliant. Enjoy long-lasting frizz control for up to 72 hours. It tames unruly flyaways and keeps your hair smooth, even in humid conditions. No matter your hair type, this oil is designed for you. It works wonders on coily, curly, straight, and wavy hair, delivering exceptional results across the board. What we like. This bonding oil is perfect for finishing your style with a high shine boost. It also offers excellent heat protection and up to 72 hours of frizz control. If you need a lightweight oil for styling, heat defense, and long-lasting smoothness, this product delivers impressive results. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.